How to block a page on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and it will lead you to your home page, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is to choose the page that you want to block on Facebook. So let's say this page. All you have to do is to visit that page, and here you will see the page. Now, on the middle part, you'll see message, like, and the three dots there. Tap on the three dots, and here you will see a lot of options, and you will see report profile, block, search, invite friends, follow, and the page link, or you can also copy the link. Now, since you want to block, tap on block, and it will actually give you a notification, so you won't be able to see their post. They won't be able to see your post, your tag, or you invite your page, or invite your page to events or groups, and they cannot message your page. So if you agree with that, tap on block there, and here this content isn't available, and here you have successfully blocked the page on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.